All right, guys. Here comes a train approaching good speed. What train is this? I don't know. Manifest or I031. This is all I can think of. Could be something else. But I'll try to read those row numbers for whatever it is. $30.25. And 51.21. It is I031. They didn't give them track 2 tonight. They're on track 1. Excuse the bright car lights on the other side here. It's going to be blinding. Well, for me, most importantly, but for you guys, it won't be. Gates just went up at that crossing way down there. Slam at some point. It's gonna scare me. Go ahead and slam and get it out of the way. There it was there. It wasn't as loud as it normally would be. I don't even know if I'm gonna get the whole thing on video. If it cuts out, guys, it's because of this crazy phone. Should have a new phone very, very, very soon. I can see the end of the train. And that car is turning around, and if it clears, they're gonna be really upset. They turn around. He's creeping. He's barely making it. And man, that car done turned around and done went the other way, and the end of it is right here. Well, they didn't know it. They just thinking it's gonna stop. Sorry for all of my sniffling, guys. Symbol on that train is the CSX I031 Intermodal train. Very long. That train starts off in North Bergen, New Jersey, heads south to Jacksonville, Florida, where it terminates.